So what we are going to study now is like we are going to have a class on some basic logical reasoning. Okay. So for trying to solve this logical reasoning thing, I need some sort of help from you. Uh, I want you to text me. Okay. So first of all, like there is a chat column. Please look into the chat column, and then what you can do is you can privately text me. Okay. So what I want to do is like first of all, tell me if you are able to listen to me properly. Are you able to listen to me? Say yes or no. Are you able to see the screen? Yes or no? Kanish has said yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. Good. Am I audible? Okay. So people are responding yes. Very good. Okay. Good. Which school are you guys from? Can you just quickly text that thing one by one? Darshana is from KNMS. Okay. Other people? Shrutika is from KNMS. Very good. Sabha is from which school? CBSE means which one? Tanishka is from MGCV Tennur. Very good. Okay. Tanishka is from MGCV Tennur. Okay. So some people, Kanish is from KNMS. Very good. What about other people? Rahul Sharma from Jawahar CBSE. Okay. That is in Neyveli. Very good. Okay. So I think Sabha Ambili should be from Jawahar as well. Okay. So children, like now, what I'm going to teach you is we are going to study about logical reasoning. Okay. So now we are going to study this concept which is called as coding and decoding. Yashwant Rishi, you're not able to hear me. Okay, so we are going to study this concept which is called as coding or decoding. Okay, so what is this thing is like we all have like secret languages. Okay, coding or decoding is something like that. If I want to convey something to my friend in a very secret way, I can go for coding something. Say, for example, I have a friend, let us say that I am Shiva, is Veer, and there is, I have like one more guy who is called as Kumar. If I want to communicate something to Veer without Kumar knowing it, okay, so what I can do is me and Veer can come up with some code language. Okay, so we can come up with some code language which will be like kind of understood only by the two of us. Okay, which this guy Kumar doesn't know. So like that, what I can do is I can kind of develop some kind of coding language using some simple codes. Okay, so now let me start with some questions. and then like we will try to understand what it is. Okay, and then like there can be a decoding. You have to decode how it is, and then like you have to try to find out. So let me just give you the first question for the day. The first question for the day is, if light is coded as UIHJM, how could you code focus? Sorry. So what I want you to do is, I want you to first read this question, try to understand, okay? And then I am giving some 1 minute time to think through this question. And then you have to tell me the answer, okay? So in some particular coding language, they have used the word light. This word light is coded as UIHJM. So light is coded as UIHJM. So using the same coding language, I want you to understand and try to tell me the code for focus. Okay, so now quickly you think through it, and then if you get the answer, please try to text me the answer. If you're not able to understand, it's fine. I'll still teach you. Okay, so first like listen, read the question properly, see, spend some time, think through, and then try to answer. Are you guys understanding the question first of all? Please respond in the chat column so that I'll know it. Okay, Shrutika has responded that she's able to understand the question. Okay, Rishikesh also has said that he's able to understand. Very good. Darshana can understand. So now I want you to think through and then tell me the answer. So I want to get the answer. You see how this light is related to this UIHJM. You have to see the connection between these two things. Once you see the connection, you will understand it. See how this light, the word light, is related to this UIHJM. And if you get the answer, you just can text me. You can ask me. Yes, I'm waiting for the answer. Anyone has cracked it? Hey, someone should answer, yaar. Any connection that you have found? Should I tell the answer? Rishikesh Anand is saying yes, sir, please. Okay, Dayanidhi is also saying yes. You guys are giving up very quickly. Sir, some of the letters are same in the code. Okay. So you guys are not able to see any relationship between these two things. L I G H T U I H J M. So see if there is any link between these two sets of alphabets. So see if there is any connection between them. So I'm able to see some connection here. Excuse me. What is the connection that you're seeing? What is the arrow mark that I have put? Text me. So Kanish is now saying H follows G. Very good. So similarly, what is that you're able to understand? See the alphabets and see this alphabets in group 2. So the moment I'm going to draw a diagram, you will be able to understand it very quickly. What is that you're seeing here? Kanish is now telling me J is following H. J is following H. Where is J man? J doesn't follow H man. H-I-J-K. Dayanidhi, if you have to tell something. Okay, now I'm unmuting you. Tell me. Okay, I'm not able to unmute. The letters are following letters of light. Yes, exactly. Correct. So now tell me the answer. How will it be for focus? So after L comes M. K L M N I J G H H I. T, U. They have taken the next alphabets and they have written it in the reverse direction. So now, for tell me, what will it be for focus? So what you have to do is you have to take the next alphabets and write it in the reverse direction. Rishikesh, no Rishikesh, your answer is not correct. Shrutika, your answer is correct, but you have not reversed it. What is that they have done here? They have taken the next alphabet. Darshana, your answer is also correct, but you have not written it in the reverse direction. Dayanidhi Sethi, yes, correct. Your answer is correct. Day Rishikesh, Olunga vante idu pannada. Do you know what is the alphabet? Write the alphabet order first in your note. Yes, Darshana has got the correct answer. Shrutika has got the correct answer. Aditya Kumar, you are not strong with alphabets. Quickly write. Sabha Ambili, yes, your answer is right. Tanishka, answer is right. Yasu Rakshi, you have to see the alphabets once again. Rahul Sharma, alphabets check once again. A, after F comes what? G, O, P, C, D, U, V, S, T. You are going to take the next alphabets and write it in the reverse direction. So which means focus will become T, V, D, P, G. So the answer is T, V, D, P, G. Are you guys able to understand what I am trying to tell? So what they have done in this question is they have taken light. The word light is coded as UIHJM. What they have done is they have taken the next alphabets and written it in the reverse direction. Okay. So similarly, if you want to write focus, F should be followed by G, O should be followed by P, C should be followed by D, U should be followed by V, and S should be followed by T. So the answer should be T, B, D, P, G. Are you guys understanding? Okay. So my name is Shiva. How would I code this word in this language? I would write it as A is followed by B, U, V, W, H, I, J. H should be followed by I, and S should be followed by T. My name in this code is BWJIT. So now tell me, what will your name be in this code? So you write your name, put a hyphen. In this code, how will it be? Quickly tell me the answer. I'm waiting for your answer. I want you to tell me how you will write your name in this code. Okay, I'm getting answer. Yes, I'm got from Yashwant. Okay, very good. Let me check. Why is that A B S T B W A B, correct. N O T U. Yashwant, your name is correct. Very good. Aditya Kumar has written only for Aditya, not written it completely. Selvanarayanan, yes, tell me what is your problem? Okay, very good. Shrutika has also got it correct. Darshana has got it correct. Dayaniti Sethi has written only for Dayaniti, I think. Sai S T I J A B K L. Okay. Kanish has also written. Very good, very good, very good. Sarvesh Sabha. Okay, Sarvesh Sabha has split it into too many words. Yes, Selvan Narayanan, if you want the answer, you please tell me. It's there in the chat column. Yes, what
Sir,
is your...
I cannot chat, sir, in my computer.
Okay, so what you want to tell? Tell me quickly. You want to tell the answer?
Sir, my name is BW
What is your name? First, tell me your full name.
Selva, sir.
Selva, Selva. Okay, so tell me what is your answer?
BWM
BWM
FT.
FT. Very good. Correct. Good. You can
Thank you,
unmute
sir.
now.
Yes.
Unmute. Okay, good. Okay, Sethi has also given it for Sethi. Very good. Okay, all right, children. Very good. So now what I want you to tell is like, so you have done the first question correct. So now what we'll do is we'll go for the second question. So the second question I'm going to give you. So please let us see how much you are able to guess it without me teaching this question. Okay. So now, so now this is the question for you. Let us see how many of you are able to answer this thing. So if KR is equal to 16, Shiva is equal to 25, what will be the value of seekers? So just give me some time. I mean, like you just give you yourself some time. You please listen to it. I mean, like you'll see how the question is to be answered. See the link connection. And then you try to answer this question. So in some particular code language, char is written as 16. Shiva is written as 25. Then how will you write the value of seekers? Dayaniti Sethi has given the answer correctly. Aditya Kumar has also given the answer correctly. Sarvesh Sabha has not given it correctly. Sarvesh Sabha has to refine the answer. Darshana, I think you have got the answer correctly. Again, first one was wrong. Second one, now it's correct. So people have found this question a little bit easy. So who wants to answer this question? Raise your hand. Okay, Darshana has raised the hand. So I'm just unmuting her alone. So then we will try to get the answer. Darshana, I have unmuted you. You please explain the answer.
The char, so when you the letter for the char is 4, sir. So 4 into 4 is equal to 16, sir. And
You have to be a little bit slow down a bit, and then like stop quickly. Speak softly.
okay, sir. The maximum letters for char is 4. So 4 into 4 is equal to 16, sir. And the
Okay,
maximum
char has how many letters?
4, sir.
4. So you're saying that char is having 4 letters. Okay, very good. So 4 into 4, you're doing 16. Okay. Next.
And so Shiva has 5 letters, sir. So 5 into 5 is equal to 25, sir.
Shiva has 5 letters. So 5 into 5 is 25. Very good. And then?
And for Seekers, it's 7, sir. So 7 into 7 is equal to 49, sir.
Shikas is having 7 letters. So 7 into 7, it will become 49. Very good. Very good. Very good. So this is the answer. I hope everyone was able to understand it. So I'm just muting you once again. So let us go to the next question. Should I explain this once again or not required? Not required. Okay, good. So now we'll move on to the third question. Let us go for the third question. Okay. So this question is also an easy question. I want you to quickly tell me the answers privately in the chat mode first. Then I'll ask one of you to explain. So Yashwant has answered it already. Okay, good. One person has answered it. So just see how it is connected. Darshana, no, your answer is not correct. Selva Satyanarayanan, I mean, like Selva, you just have to wait for some time. I'm not going to take you for some time. Let people answer here, then I will try to tell you. Why Darshana is giving all wrong answer in the first go and then correct answers in the second go? You have to be cautious. Kanesh, good. Sabha, you have to like check your answer. There is a problem. Rishikesh Anand, yes, correct. Sabha, I want you to revise your answer quickly. Okay, very good. Rahul Sharma, correct. Okay, now I will want one of you to answer. So tell me who wants to answer the question first. Raise your hand. Okay, Yashwant has raised it first. Okay, I will give the chance to Yashwant. Yashwant, I am unmuting you. Wait a minute.
Sir, it has 6 letters, sir. So first 3 letters, last 3 letters have been come to first, and the first 3 letters have been gone to the last, sir.
So what has happened? This is like kind of like divided into 3 things, and then they have shifted the position of these 2 things. That is what you're trying to tell?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me what will be the answer for this nation?
IONNAT.
IONNAT. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Mute and sit down now. Others, lower your hand. Okay, so now let us go for the fourth question for the day. Okay, so now the fourth question for the day is, wait a minute. Now go for it. So you please type the answer first, then we can go for asking people. I'm not going to give the chance immediately. So let people answer, then we can go for asking. Rishikesh is correct. Aditya Kumar, correct. Dayanidhi has got it wrong. So please check your answer. Yashwant, no, your answer is not correct. I'm okay. The logic is correct. So tell me the answer alone quickly. Yashwant. Sabha is correct. The answer is correct. Shrutika, you have to check your answer. They Kanish, tell me the answer alone, man. Yashwant, tell me the answer for the word reasoning. Shrutika, answer check. You have to check it. Kanish, correct answer. Okay, let me listen from Kanish this time. Kanish, I have unmuted you. You have to
Yes,
talk
sir.
now.
Sir, vision has 6 letters, sir. 6
Vision
into
has
12.
slowly you have to tell.
Vision has 6 letters. 6 into 2, 12. Plus 2, 14. Logic,
Okay,
sir.
1 minute, slow down. So Vishen has 6 letters. So what you are doing is you are doing multiplying 6 into 2. It is becoming 12. From 12, you are adding 2. You are getting 14. Very good. Next.
Logic 5 letters, sir.
Logic has 5 letters. Okay.
5 into 2, 10.
Okay.
Plus 2, 12.
Hmm. Very good.
Reasoning has 9 letters.
Okay.
9 into 2, 18.
Hmm.
Plus 2, 20.
Plus 2 will make it 20. Very good. So this is the logic. Very good. You have to like correct. The answer is correct. You can unmute and then you can sit down now. Is there someone who's not understanding how to get this answer? Shrutika, you're understanding now? Shrutika? Dayaniti, you're understanding the method? Very good. Shrutika has given a thumbs up sign also. Very good. Thank you. And then what about Dayaniti? Very good. So this is question number 5. So we'll go for question number 5 now. Okay. So I'm just skipping the steps. So if road is written as URDG, how will you write Swan? Kanish, no, you have to check it once again. Good, I'm getting like good number of answers. Rishikesh has to check. Kanish, you are correct. This answer is correct. Shrutika correct, Yashwant correct, Rishikesh, you have to check your answer. Rahul Sharma correct, Darshana correct. Aditya Kumar correct. So who wants to explain the answer? Yashwant has answered already one question. Tanishka, you have to check your answer. Darshana, I'm not giving chance. You have answered once already. Rama Satyam is also correct. Okay, Shrutika wants to answer. So Shrutika, I will try to unmute you. Okay, Shrutika, tell me the answer.
Sir,
Oh, yeah, go on, go on.
Sir, the road, the thing is that, sir, they have two letters after that, sir. Like when we talk about you, sir, we skip two letters.
So
Road.
R, from R, what has happened?
Sir, from R, they are skipped two alphabet, three letters, two letters, sir.
Two letters and they have gone for U.
U.
Yes, T they have left and they have gone for U. Okay.
Yes, sir.
O.
And for O, they have left two numbers and they went for R.
Okay.
And then in A, they left two numbers and went for D.
Okay.
And in D, they left two numbers and went for G.
Okay. So similarly for Swan, what will your answer be?
Sir, for S, so for S, they left two numbers and B is coming, sir.
Go on.
And
Okay.
for W, they left two letters and Z is coming. And for A, they left two letters and D is coming, sir.
Okay.
And for N, they left two letters and Q is coming.
So the answer is V, Z, D, Q. Very good. Unmute now. Thank you. So the answer is V, Z, D, Q. Okay. So Rishikesh, you are able to understand. Tanishka, you are able to. Rishikesh, very good. You're saying yes. Okay, Tanishka, I want a reply from you also. Okay, Selva has given a thumbs up. Darshana has also given. Tanishka, I want. Tanishka gave a wrong answer. Tanishka, you are understanding? Very good. Okay, fine. So now what we'll go is, like, we'll go to the next question. I'll give you one more question. So this is the fourth question is over. Fifth question is also over. Now we'll go to the sixth question for the day. Hey, what is happening? So I have given some 5 questions quickly. So one by one. So I want you to answer everything together. Okay. So quickly, I have like 10 more minutes. I will start discussing after 5 minutes. I want you to go for answering 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I want you to find all the answers together and type. I don't want 111. Okay. So don't spam the message box or chat box. So what I want you to do is, I want you to solve all the 5 questions and I wanted to give one single short answer for all the 5. Okay. After 5 minutes, I will start discussing. So I'm just giving you 5 minutes time to complete this 5 question. Listen, I don't want one by one. I want 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 at a stitch. So if I'm getting one answer from you people, I don't want such a case. I want all the 5 to be there. So there are 5 questions. Take some time, think through, answer all the 5 at one go. If you're not understanding any question, it's still fine. You can leave it as a gap. I'm still going to teach you after 5 minutes. Darshana, I'm trying to tell you once again, you cannot give it answers tani taniya. Okay, you have done okay. So 8, 9 you have done. 10 also I need the answer then. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9 she has answered. 10 I did not get it from Darshana. So it's 2 minutes up. Yashwant has completed 5. So you have 2 more minutes. I will discuss Yashwant. I will discuss all the 5 at one go. Some people are like giving me all like one answers. I'm not able to see it all together. Yashwant, I can see that the 7th question is wrong and the 9th question is wrong. 7th and 9th, maybe you have to work out. Tanishka has got the second question correct. First question also correct, Tanishka. Okay, I have 1 more minute. I'll give you 1 more minute, after which I will discuss these questions quickly. That's okay. We all make mistakes. It's always okay to make mistakes. Okay. Unless you make mistakes, you will not learn things. So see to that you don't repeat the mistakes. Okay, it's like 4:25. So I'm going to now discuss the answers. Okay, now tell me someone who wants to answer the sixth question. Someone who wants to answer the sixth question, I want you to raise the hand. Darshana has already there. Akshay Abhay, I haven't heard your voice. So let me hear from you. Akshay Abhay, I'm going to unmute you because I haven't heard you. So I'm giving you the chance. Quickly. Yes, Akshay, go on.
Sir, sixth one clue.
So sixth one, the answer is clue. Why the answer is clue? Tell me. So you answer. Just tell me. It's okay.
Sir, after L, M comes.
Okay, after LM comes, okay. Then
After F, G comes, sir.
okay, so after B, C should come.
Yes,
And
sir.
what happened to the other three letters? What is happening to these three letters?
It's same, sir.
It's remaining the same. So you're like just keeping the three letters same, and then like you're going for this thing. Okay, very good. Okay, I unmute yourself. I mean mute yourself. Thank you. So now tell me, is there someone who wants to repeat this question? I think it's not required. So now let us go for the seventh question. Who wants to answer the seventh question? So I want new faces. Ramasatyam has not answered. So I'm just going to give the chance for Ramasatyam. I'm unmuting you.
Sir, actually for jungle, for fish, the next one is coming off.
What is the letter which is coming off?
After, before the letter. It means
Okay,
yes,
you're not taking the after letter, but you're taking the before letter.
before letter.
Before F comes what?
E,
Okay. Before I comes what?
H,
Okay. Before S comes R.
H,
And before
R.
H comes G. Okay, very good. So this
G.
is the case. So now similarly, what will be the answer for this case? Before I comes, J comes.
I,
Tell me the answer. Go on with the answer quickly.
I, T, M,
Okay.
F,
Yes.
K, D.
Very good. So that's perfect. So you have
K,
just
D.
KD. Yeah, that's what I have written. So ITM FKD. Good. Mute yourself now. Okay. Okay, all lower your hands now. Everyone lower your hands. Whoever is there in the lowering thing. So now who wants to answer the eighth question? Okay, Kanish answer. Kanish, I have unmuted you, I think. Answer
Sir,
now.
you unmuted Yashwant, sir.
Okay, சரி யஷ்வந்த் சொல்லு பாப்போம். Kanish, next question. Okay, then I'll wait a minute. Unmute. Kanish,
Sir?
answer from you.
So I didn't write down the answer, sir.
You did not answer this question, ah? Okay, I will then go for Yashwant itself. Ah? Wait a minute. Let us hear from this guy.
Sir,
Selva, please answer.
for dangerous, sir.
Yeah, for danger. Yes.
Sir, my note. E B O
What is the answer?
E B O
Okay, EBO
H F S.
HFS. I think there is a mistake here. Just check your answer once again. Who wants to answer this question correctly? Who can explain? Okay, I'll hear from Dayaniti. Wait. Day. All put your hands down. Dayaniti, I am unmuting you.
So for danger answer is CBM.
What is that they have done?
So the answer is CBM
The answer is CBM
HDQ.
HDQ. So explain, how did you get this thing?
So one letter is smaller than the another letter and the another letter is bigger than the another letter.
Well, I mean, you need to be a little bit more precise. Tell me how it is coming here. Just tell me with the example.
After E, F used to come.
Okay, so A, B,
Then-
O, U, R.
Then for after A, B used to come.
Okay,
It is going on reverse, sir. So first one is
so
smaller.
U, V, and then O, P, and then what?
So then U, V comes after U.
So what they have done here is they have taken one letter behind and one letter afterwards. One letter behind and one letter afterwards. One letter behind and one letter afterwards. So what would be the answer? So for danger, it would be
M.
before letter would be what? C, and after letter would be B.
B.
K, L, M, N,
H, D, Q.
H. Okay, this will be D and this would be S.
Q.
Answer would be C, B, M, H, D, S. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'll just quickly explain the next two questions because like I don't have much time. So 9th and 10th question I will try to do. 10th question is a very easy question. I gave market. Market is written as MREAKT. Then I'm asking you how to go ahead with school. So what is that you're able to see here is you just number this and see, you will understand it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will and 2, 4, 6 are clubbed together. All the even letter positions are taken to the front and odd letter positions are taken to the back. So what would it be here? So it will become SCOL. So SHO would be the odd letter position and COL would be the even letter position. So this would be the answer. Okay, coming to this question, I'm just going to not answer this question. Okay, I'm just going to give you a homework, a small homework. Mango is equal to 20. Orange is equal to 30. Then I'm asking you the value of pineapple. Okay, some of you have given the answers, but for this question, you have multiple answers. Okay, there are many answers which are there. There are at least 4 answers that I know. Okay, one of the answer is, say, 40. One of the answer is 44. One of the answer is 72. One of the answer is 60. I want you to find out the reasons for all these 4 answers. All the 4 answers are correct, but you are going to follow different logics for these answers. Different logic which you have to use. For 44, you have to use a different logic. For 72, all the 4 answers are correct. But what I want you to find is, I want you to say how you have got the answers. Next class, I would be checking that thing. Okay. So some people have doubts. So let me just unmute you. You have any? Yes, Darshana, you can unmute yourself and then you can tell me.
I have a question, sir.
Yeah, go on.
Sir, for this question, the mango has 5 liters, sir. If you multiply by 20, by 4, you have 20, sir.
Okay.
And orange has 6 liters, sir. And if you multiply by 5, the following letter of 4, and you get 30, sir. But
Okay.
pineapple has 9 liters, sir. And the following letter of 5 is 6, sir. And you get 54, sir. So the mango you multiply by 4, the orange multiply by 5, and the pineapple multiply by 6, right, sir?
Okay, that is actually like kind of a logic miss is there. So if I, instead of pineapple, if I'm going to give you say kiwi, will the answer be different? So you have to multiply it by 6 is what you're trying to say. So you multiplied it here by 4, you multiplied it here by 5. So you have to multiply this by 6. So what I'm trying to tell you is, like, while you're going ahead with that thing, you cannot go ahead with the thing. So this mango, for mango, this multiplication is very specific. 5 letters into 5 minus 1, you can go for 4. Here you have 6 letters, so 6 into 5 you are going. Which means here, if you are having 9 means you have to go ahead with 9 into 8 only. You cannot go ahead with 6 because it has to be connected with this. Arbitrarily, you cannot take this value as 4 and then continue it as a series. Are you understanding? So which means there has to be some kind of connect. So I think I have given you one answer already. So 5 into 4, you have got it 20. 6 into 5, you have got 30. 9 into 8, you have got 72. So that is the logic for thing. If kiwi is there, what would be the case? Kiwi would have the answer 12. Why? Because 4 letter into 3 will make it 12. Are you understanding? So that way you have some logical consistency should be there. So that way I want you to check it. So you cannot randomly pick up some numbers and then you cannot multiply. So I want you to find for these 3 things. Okay. So these 3 things I want you to do it. I'm running short of time. We'll meet next week. Okay. Bye.